Samar, lecturer Electrical Engineering Department, Boskota. Today I will solve a problem of energy conversion 1, which is based on single phase transformer. See the question. A 600 kVA single phase transformer has an efficiency of 92% both full load and half load at unique power factor. Determine its efficiency at 60% of full load at 0.8 power factor. This is the question from 2016. Now see the given data here, a single phase transformer and the output given 600 kVA with efficiency both for full load and half load is 92% and the power factor is unit. So here 600 kVA can be converted into kilowatt by multiplying the power factor 1. So that becomes 600 into 1, that is 600 kilowatt. Now we have to find the efficiency at 60% of full load and for 0.8 power factor. So for calculation of efficiency, we have to find out the losses, that iron loss plus the copper loss. So to find iron or copper loss, we should find the total loss of transformer, which can be calculated from the efficiency of the transformer. So efficiency, we know that output by input. So efficiency for full load is equal to efficiency output power for full load divided by input power for full load into 100. So given efficiency is 92%, that means 0.92 given, and the output power in full load given 600 kilowatt divided by the input power into 100. So implies that input power will be 600 into, so it is given 92%, which is equal to 600 divided by 0.92, that will be becomes 652.17 kilowatt. So 92% here becomes 0.92. So input is 652.17. Therefore, what is total losses? We know the total losses is input minus the output. See, the input is 652.17 minus the output is 600. So the losses is 52.17 kilowatt. This is the total losses for full load. This is the total losses for full load. Now find total losses for half load. Similarly, at half load, see, at half load it is given efficiency is 92%, and at half load efficiency is output at half load divided by input at half load. See, then we have to calculate the output at half load. See, given the output at full load is 600 kilowatt, so therefore output at half load is equal to output at full load divided by 2. So it is 600 kilowatt divided by 2, which is equal to 300 kilowatt. Now the efficiency is 92%. That means we will write efficiency is equal to 300 divided by input into 100, or we can write see. So that will becomes 300 by 0.92, which becomes 326.08. See, the answer is 326.08 kilowatt. Always losses are in kilowatt. So now the losses at half load. So total losses at half load, C, is equal to input at half load minus the output at half load. So input at half load is 326.08 minus output is 300 kilowatt, which becomes 28.08 kilowatt. Now so we get the total losses at full load, and see, we also found the total losses at half load. Now we go to the individual losses, that means copper losses and iron losses. Suppose taking iron or Fe loss is equal to X and taking the copper loss is equal to Y, and the copper loss is equal to Y. The total losses from full load, we are taking X is the iron loss and Y is the copper loss. So total losses from full load is X plus Y, which is equal to 52.17 kilowatt, which is equation 1. So from half load, Fe loss is X, but the copper loss is equal to half square into full load copper loss, that is Y. So we know that copper loss is equal to half square into full load copper loss. So see, the copper loss becomes half square into Y, which is equal to Y by 4. Now see, the total losses from half load is X plus iron loss X and Y is the copper loss, but here the copper loss half load becomes Y by 4. So total losses is equal to X plus Y by 4, which is 26.08 kilowatt. Now we subtract equation 2 from 1. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get X plus Y minus X plus Y by 4, which is equal to C, 52.17 minus 26.08, which is equal to 26.09 kilowatt. So from this we get the Y is equal to 34.786 kilowatt, that is full load copper loss. So full load copper loss is 34.786 kilowatt. Now how to find the X? Let's see the equation 1. We are putting the value of Y in equation 1. We get the value of X. See here, X is equal to 52.17 and Y here 34.786. So it will become 17.384 kilowatt. That is the iron loss. So we get iron loss is 17.384 kilowatt and the copper loss is 34.786 kilowatt. Now we have to find the efficiency at 60% of full load at 0.8 power factor. So how to find efficiency at 60%? We know that efficiency is output power at 60% of full load divided by the input power at 60% of full load. So output power at 60% of full load and power factor 0.8 becomes 600 is the output power at unit power factor or full load into 60% into 0.8 power factor, which becomes output becomes 288 kilowatt. Now see, the iron losses is same for all the loads. That means at full load iron loss jete, half load re bhi same, and the iron loss same as full See the iron loss here 17.384. So iron loss same as full load, that is 17.384. But what about the copper loss? Copper loss varies according to the load. If load varies, copper losses varies. So what is the value of copper loss at 60% of full load? That will become 60 by 100 square. See, 60 by 100 square into full load copper loss. So 60 by 100 square becomes 0.6 square into full load copper loss, and full load copper loss becomes the 34.786, which is equal to 12.522 kilowatt. See. So we get the iron loss for 60% of full load is 17.384 kilowatt, and the copper loss for 60% of full load becomes 12.522 kilowatt. Now to find the efficiency. So efficiency is equal to output at 60% of full load divided by the input at 60% of full load. Again here see, the output at 60% of full load divided by, see, the output at 60% of full load plus the copper loss at 60% of full load plus the iron loss. See here the values. So output at 60% of full load is 288, and output at 60% of full load is also 288, and the copper losses at 60% of full load is 12.522 kilowatt, and the iron loss same as full load, so it is 17.384 iron loss, which is the answer is 0.905. That is the efficiency at 60% of full load. So therefore the percentage of efficiency is 0.905 into 100, that becomes 90.5%. This is the answer of the question. Thank you.